Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be creating our first HTML page. So do well to watch the video to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing a bonus tip and you will also be able to create a HTML web page if you watch the video to the end. So let's get started. Like I told you in our previous video, you will need a code editor. I'm using VS Code for mine. If you are using VS Code and you open your VS Code, you end up with a similar user interface like mine. As you can see, this is inside our VS Code. So you navigate to the top right corner of your screen. You will see file. Then inside the file, what I like to do, I like to open the folder first, the folder that I want to create my project in. Mine is on my desktop. Don't mind my naming. You can use any folder of your choice. Then when I open the folder in my code editor, as you can see, we have the folder here, the HTML folder. That's the name of the folder that I want to create my application in. So inside, I'll right click, but you can use this new file icon here to, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use right click so that you can see what I'm doing. So I'll right click and create new file. So I'm going to name the file index.html. You can see the name and click on enter. So it has opened the index.html here. You can see it's a blank page. So inside this page, what you are going to do first, from our previous video, I say you will declare the doc type. So declaring the doc type, this is how to declare the doc type. Then exclamation mark. You can see VS Code is completing. It's showing me, it's predicting what I want to type. So after the doc type, you write HTML, which will make the browser to know that you are typing HTML code in this, and that the browser is going to handle HTML code. So after the doc type, if you can remember, the next thing is our HTML tags. VS Code is auto completing this, has auto completed the tag for me. You can see it closed it automatically. After the HTML tag, we have the head, which is going to contain our browser related informations. The head. Then you can see the code editor is auto completing is adding the end tags for me. So after in the head, we will have the title. Our title will be called HTML, let's say web page. Outside the head now, we are going to have our body. So in this body, that's where we are going to be typing the contents that will be visible for our visitors. So let's use an H1 here. H1 is for the heading. Then save. We have saved it. So let's go and check our project in our browser now. So let me head to my file explorer. You can see the file here in my HTML folder. This is the index.html. Since it's an HTML file, that's why you can see the Chrome logo in front of the file. So if yours is not being treated the same way, you can right click on the file, then open with, then you select open with, then you choose any of the browser of your choice, because sometimes it may be treating it as a normal document, or if yours is not ready, you can use this open with, then select any browser of your choice. But since mine is going to open with Chrome, I will double click on the file. As you can see, our web page is up now. This is the hello world that we typed in our web page. Let's change. Let me add. So let's create a paragraph. So paragraph tag name is P. So let's create a dummy text in this paragraph. I typed Lorraine. You can, after you type Lorraine and hit on enter, our VS Code just gave us some dummy text that we can use for testing our web page. So when we come up here now and refresh the page, you can see the Lorraine Ipson. You can see the text here. So let's add another heading. This time we are going to use H2. I was like, sorry, like. So let's refresh the page. You can say the like here. So if I say I won't create an H3 in this video, in the next video, that's where we are going to be doing that one. Let's say like and subscribe. You can see that our web page is up and running now. So the bonus, okay, before I forget, let me show you what the title does. You can see at the top part of our browser, you can see HTML page, which is our title, which is the title that we wrote in our code. This HTML web page, let's say by page dev and save, so that you can see how it works. You can see, and let me refresh the page. You can see HTML web page by hdev. So that's what the title does. But inside the that's what the title does. The bonus tips that I said I will show you at the ending of this video, let me show you now. When you are handling a big application, arranging your code it will help you a lot, because sometimes you will have plenty of tags, plenty of elements in your, you have plenty of elements, so to arrange them properly will really help you. So what I do use for my code formatting is an extension called Prettier. So let me show you how to install Prettier. So you head to your extensions. This is the extension icon. Then you search for Prettier. As the name implies, it makes your code to be prettier. You can see Prettier code formatter. Here is the logo for the extension. So when you're looking for it, if you see this logo, that this is the Prettier. So after you have installed the Prettier, it's already on my computer. That is already on my computer. That is why you are seeing uninstall and disable button. When you install it, when you have not installed it, you will see install button here. After you have finished installing the extension, you head to your settings, then search for formatter. then editor, then you choose Prettier. You see Prettier here, then choose Prettier as your formatter. Then also you tick this, format on paste, then format on save, so that it will format your code anytime you save and format your code anytime you paste in a new code. So another extension that I would like to show you, the other one is live, sorry, not live server. Live server. This is live server, the first one here, and you can see the logo. Also, when you see this logo, you know that you are in the right place. So you install. I already have it, that's why it's not showing the install button. So when you, after you have installed the live server, you can head to your HTML file. Then on your HTML file, when you double click, you will see open with live server. You can click on this button to open your application with live server. And when you head to the and when you head to the bottom part of your code editor, you can see go live here. You can also go live with that button at the bottom. You can see server is started at port 5500. You can see it's opening my web page. This is our web page. It has opened it for us. Let's close the one that we opened manually. This is the one on live server. Let me reduce the size of my web page, ls. Okay, you can see the web page is open on this side. Let's enter our application back and make an adjustment. Let's change this hello world to age dev, then save. You can see it has updated automatically. You can see that our web page updated automatically. I didn't come here to refresh or anything. Then let's change it to hello. You can see it changed automatically. Also, it refreshes itself anytime we save the file here. You can do a lot of things. There are many extensions, helpful extensions on VS Code. I don't know for the rest, but if you are using your Sublime, you can do research about their extensions or packages that you can use for similar stuff. But I don't know anyone for them because I don't use them. That's all for this video. In the next video, we are going to be talking about headings, paragraph, and before I forget, like the video and also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. And also don't forget to share the video with your friends that you believe they will benefit from this video as well. Okay, do have a nice day. Bye.